Ghost, baby. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the vlog. You guys, we are going to talk about what are the upcoming plans for this LS7 beast, and we're gonna take it on a nice little drive. It is a little chilly out here in Chicago, Illinois today, but that's not gonna stop us. That's not gonna stop us, guys. That boy's chopping. Close the garage. You guys, we're gonna take this thing on a nice little drive and see, let you guys know what we are doing to this beast. Hopefully by the winter, when this thing is stored up, we will be starting up on doing some slight things to it. You can hear that chop though. That thing sounds sick. So we're gonna take it over to a spot, get out the car, and I'm gonna basically tell you guys what we are planning on doing to this beast. So let's do a pull. There we go. Holy shit. Woo! This thing's a fucking tank, dude. Holy shit. Every time you punch the throttle, just a little slap in the face. This thing is amazing. Let's start with performance, you guys. Performance wise, we don't want to go a little too crazy right now. We are going to be doing an LSXR manifold. Shout out to my guy Mo. If you guys know him, he has the beautiful C606, probably one of the craziest ones in Chicago. I will also be getting bigger injectors. We'll be doing a speed engineering headers, X-pipe, and I don't know about the axle back. I kind of want to keep the exhaust from the axle and back stock because of that valve system that it has. So I don't know if I want to keep that, or I don't know if I want to lose that just yet. I kind of like it. It's pretty cool. So the roads are so freaking bumpy. The suspension is so tight. My ass is fucking getting, oh shit. As far as that performance wise for motor, that's about it. Shout out to MGW. We got a short throw shifter coming because this right here, just no, that's unacceptable. It has to be like, that has to be second, not that second, no. So MGW, we got a shifter coming in. Big shout out to them. We got a flat stick too, so it's just gonna be like the Mustang. Every single one of my race cars had a short throw. I've had one on the Camaro, that one I had a Hearst, my Mustang, and this obviously MGW. So roads are so freaking bumpy. You guys think I'm lying when I tell you guys this is the roads right now. Holy shit. Ouch. Ouch. So you guys, as far as motor wise, I think that's about it. That's all we want to do for right now. Like I said, a lot of the content on this car is going to be on the track, whether it's a mile and a quarter mile or actual, you know, road racing track. That's where most of the content for this is going to come. And then obviously we got some cosmetic stuff I will be showing you guys in a little bit. That's about it, you guys. This thing is perfect how it is. I mean, we could do a little third gear pull. Let's do a nice little third gear pull. Dude, it just wants to fucking go, bro. Oh my God. Yeah, this thing is like scary. If you don't know how to drive, this isn't the car for you. You gotta know how to drive. I'm Moogie, I'm him. I know how to drive, you know? Performance wise, I feel like that's about it. I really don't wanna go boost, but I feel like eventually I'm gonna, ooh, coyote. Eventually I'm going to say fuck it and then end up boosting it. That's the problem with me, is I always want more power. Obviously we know what issue, who has that issue as well, and that's Silver Fox. Before he got his Mustang, he said, hey, I'm keeping it stock, not doing shit to it besides an exhaust. Okay, Alex. Next thing you know, he had an Edelbrock supercharger on it, didn't like it, got an ESS centrifugal supercharger, and he fucking loves that thing. And he's doing like 700 wheel horsepower now, so fuck you, Alex. We're gonna do another first gear pull before we get this thing. All right. Holy shit. Oh, fuck. Shit. This thing is so fucking fast, bro. Suspension just fucking, oh my God, it's so fucking hard. That's not what I meant. Boosting isn't really my main concern right now. I'd actually have to do the heads before I want to boost, if I'm being honest. So the heads would have to be done first, and then I would plan on doing boost. You know what sucks is that the fucking, you hear those fucking carbon ceramics, fucking loud ass brakes. Let's see, double downshift. That's second gear pull, or okay. Yep, this thing is scary. This is a scary car to drive. You know, the thing is with these LS7s, it just wants to go. It just wants to go. People always ask me, for the money you spent on this, why don't you just get it like a ZL11LE? Now, here's the thing with the ZL11LEs, the suspension is chassis mounted suspension. The suspension is actually bolted into the frame. So you're gonna, this is like, ZL11LE would be probably 10 times worse as far as suspension wise on this thing. It obviously it's not gonna matter because you know you're driving a fucking race car, so it shouldn't matter about suspension if it's gonna be rough or not. I mean, whatever helps you get better lap times for sure. But honestly, it's just that this thing is so fucking rough. As far as, you know what sucks? I don't have fucking AC and I'm fucking sweating my ass off, bro. We need AC in this bitch real bad. The ZL11LE is I love that car. I drove probably 3 of them in my lifetime, all 6 speeds obviously, and I love that car. I really, really love that car. I thought it was fucking insane. I thought it was a crazy, it felt insane. The turning, cornering was amazing on that car. It just, too much technology for me. The LT4 is a great motor. I can't say anything about that LT4. The LT4 is a beautiful motor, just too much technology, man. I wanted something raw. I wanted something that is very driver focused, doesn't help you out. Fucking, you know, you feel your mistakes. You know, with that 1LE, just, you have all that rev matching, you have all that like safety shit. It's just like, fuck that, dude. It's like, yeah, it's faster, 650 horsepower. It's aerodynamically fucking insane. But you know what? The Z28 just has that name. When you buy a Z28, you know, hey, I'm in a big boy car. This isn't for little boys. Ow, my ass, that hurts. This isn't for little boys. This isn't just a car anybody can get. This is one of the best GM performance cars ever built, in my opinion. And I know technology nowadays, we got the ZR1, ZR1X, but before that, there was this. And you know, it was really hard for people to get their hands on them. I fucking hate these carbon ceramics. We gotta get rid of these. I'm taking off these carbon ceramics. I'm gonna put steel brakes on until I go on the track, then I'll put these carbon ceramics, but absolutely not. That is a beautiful Alpina. That's very nice. But yeah, you guys, I mean, that's honestly how I feel about this car. You know, people ask me all the time, ZL11LE, ZL11LE. I mean, we're like, what are you doing? I love that car. Like I said, I think it looks insane, and I think it has the potential to be a fucking, I mean, I think the ZL11LE is probably one of the best track cars I ever drove around a track. And I drove a Porsche, what is it? I drove a Porsche Cayman GTS or GT3, and I love the ZL11LE more. And it's not me being biased because, oh, he's an American V8 guy. No, I just thought the ZL11LE felt a lot better. But you know what, dude? That's just my opinion. And if you don't like it, fuck off. No backup camera in this thing, by the way, which I don't need, but it'd be nice. All right, you guys, the GoPro died, which kind of sucks, so we will be switching back to the DSLR. You guys, look at this freaking beast, dude. It sits so nice. Like, there's nothing you can say about this car that is bad besides suspension. My ass is sore. But we're gonna get into the cosmetic stuff of what we want to do to this car. And again, I know a lot of Z28 purists and all these, you know, performance guys. No, what are you doing? The car's perfect. It is, but I want my mods. Fuck you. The first thing we're gonna have to do, a lot of Z28 owners do it. They actually do the 2SS Halo headlight, which we will be doing. That's something I really want to do. Not a fan of these headlights. Don't know why they couldn't just, you know, for the price you pay for this car, don't know why. I don't know if it's a weight reduction thing or what, but they should have added the 2SS headlights. They should have definitely did that. Next, we are gonna have to get all the wheels re-powder coated. The guy that mounted these tires is an absolute idiot. He literally curb rashed every single wheel So we will need to do that all over again. So that didn't get any. There's this, yeah, this wheel probably got it the worst. But as far as that, wheel wise, staying the same color. We're not changing it to fucking white, bronze, green, purple, blue. It's staying black. That's how I like the Z28 wheels. Straight black. Obviously a lot of 5th gen owners do it. They actually changed the taillights, which we will be doing. I'm not doing the C8 looking taillights. We'll be doing the 6th gen look, kind of. It's a lot better. Here's a picture of how it looks, but it does look a lot better than these. I'm not crazy about these taillights. I do like them more than the you know, the separated taillights. I like these a lot better. We will, that's something we're definitely going to change for sure, is the taillights. The first thing we're going to be planning on doing is changing the taillights. So expect that video to come soon, because that's the first thing that's going to go in this car is the taillights. But yeah, you guys, as far as cosmetics, it's not going to be a lot on this car. I think where it's at now is pretty perfect. I don't plan on fucking lowering it and, you know, doing all this bullshit to it. I really want to keep it as clean as possible. We are going to get PPF. That's something we definitely need, is PPF for sure. We're actually going to do new badging. That's what it is. There's really no chrome on this car at all. So the chrome on there, we're going to make that black. We're going to get new badges instead of fucking up the old ones, because I'd rather keep these. But we are definitely going to change out the badges with instead of the chrome exterior, we're gonna do a black one, so it'll look a lot better. It'll look a lot cleaner with the car. Considering there's no chrome besides the carbon ceramics and the tips. That's literally the only chrome thing on this car. Guys, that is pretty much it for today's video. That's the plans for the car so far, and obviously might do E85. We're gonna see. I'm gonna actually call Mo, see if he felt any gains with the E85. If he did, fuck it, we'll do it. If not, there's really no point. But that's about it for today's video. Hope you guys did enjoy it. If you did, smash that like button, smash that subscribe button. If you're new to the channel, hit that little bell notification so you can be notified and be a part of HP Society. You guys go give a follow to our race page, HP Society Racing on Instagram, and follow some of our race cars there. We got Seika E30, Grabber Fox 50, and we got 6.2K, all for different types of racing. So please stay tuned, and this thing is about to be crazy. Appreciate you guys. I'll see you guys.